Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today we are in one of your favourite towns. You've always been kind of keen on properties in this area for some reason, but I think you can kind of see. We are in the town of Oria, a spectacular town, medieval town with a castle on top of a hillside with views all around the surrounding area. And what we're seeing today is we have a beautiful, completely renovated 2-bedroom property, and we are very much in the heart of Oria, and I'll obviously put up the drone to kind of show you the location. Now you can see it's this beautiful door. This is one of the main entrances, but we actually have a secondary entrance as well, just on the side here as well. So just to kind of show you, this is a 90 square meter property. It includes basically the entire corner, and what we can see is the first window and the 2 balconies that you can see just down there. The actual other doorway to enter the property is just under the lamp, so it has a secondary entrance. And the way you see it when you see the property inside, you'll understand this could easily be used as 2 separate properties, because you can just close off one door and maybe rent out the other one whilst living in the other space. But I know you're all curious to see inside. You can hear the church bells going off, which is lovely to hear. And I think it's one of the reasons why people fall in love with these types of towns. So beautiful doorway, very tall. You immediately come up a few steps and you can see just how beautiful this renovation has been on this property. Everything is very high quality. We have parquet floors, beautifully tall ceilings. Again, this has been kind of something that we've seen in a lot of the properties that we've taken on in Oria. Very tall ceilings and tons of light coming in here. We have lots of light. You can see we've got a kitchen just in the corner here. Again, everything is very high end, so all the kind of designer stuff here that we're seeing. You can see you've got a little dishwasher here, very cute, but everything's kind of hidden away. Also, you've got a washing machine, which is also hidden away here. So very nice to have fully functional kitchen. And this is pretty much your living space, dining area. Again, a good sized room. We're talking again about a 90 square meter property here. So again, very nice, lots of light coming in. Now this doorway here actually has an access to the roof terrace. We're not going to go up on this side because there's another one further down. I'm just going to close the door just to kind of block the wind from blowing currents, because it's nice and airy in here. And you can see you've got a part of the kitchen on this side as well. So storage space plus an oven on this side here. You've got, I think this is a fridge, if I'm not mistaken, here, which I can't find the opening to at the moment, but I will assure you this is a fridge behind here, so there's nothing to pull it on, but that's a fridge just behind there. And then we have, again, a really good sized room here. Now leading through to the bedroom, here we have, again, a really decent sized bedroom. You can see the star vaulted ceilings, again, very tall ceilings here as well. So very nice to see. And then you've got a good sized bed here. I love that we've got tons of lights coming into this property. Very large windows, and these are very high end fixtures that we have here. So very much everything that you see is top of the range, from the window features to the actual fixtures of the lighting as well. Everything is very high end. And this property, the price that you'll see advertised is without the furniture. The furniture is actually all very valuable furniture, but there will be an option to potentially buy it with the furniture as well. So we'll kind of have 2 prices, one with or one without. Here you can see we've got a really nice bathroom, good sized shower. It's all pretty much brand new. I love the style of it. It feels like a very high-end luxury apartment in a beautiful town of Oria. And you can see you've got all the fixtures in here, and it just feels very high-end. It feels premium. It feels like no expense has been spared in this property. And I think that's something, again, we don't often see. A lot of these renovations are kind of done on the cheap side, just to kind of make a quick flip, but this is definitely not one of them. Now we do have, you see these kind of vent units around the house. Now they are for cooling and heating of the property. So this is a property which can be lived in all year round. And this leads me through to where I mentioned to you there's a secondary entrance here. So this is where, just underneath the lamp on the outside, you have an entrance into here. Would be very easy to just close what you've seen off. You have that at its own separate unit. Maybe you live in that area and then you could rent this part out, because this is its own kind of bedroom, bathroom setup. Just before I get to that, we do have a dryer here. So we do have a dryer hidden away. Again, all the kind of furniture has been made, custom made for the property itself. And then you can see coming in here, again, really large window, beautiful features. You've got a little balcony outside, obviously the anti-mosquito netting. So these are, again, top of the range fixtures. And I think you'll have noticed even the doors are very nicely done. Everything's been kind of cut to spec. You can see good sized bed in here. And again, we've got those star vaulted ceilings. All they've gone and done is added an ensuite bathroom. And you can see, I'll let you kind of have a look in there without me being in the way. So good sized shower. And again, I love the decor. Very kind of modern. And I think it's very fitting for this type of style of the in-between of the old property, but you know, very modern style, very clean lines. And this, as you see, kind of has its own exits onto the terrace. So you've got two exits onto the terrace. So again, from the standard point of view of having them two separately, this would be ideal given that you've got two exits. And you can see a little bit of this is being used as storage. But as we come up, you'll see there's two terraces up here. And I will be putting up the drone to kind of show you its beautiful location. So you can see here, this is a really good sized terrace, comes all the way around, and you can see how easily you could maybe separate the two. So this is all one terrace, but this terrace here is actually a terrace to the first part of the property. So you can see this here. You can see the stairs going up is actually from there, and this could easily be separated, and you could have, you know, obviously again, if you're kind of renting this property out and living in one part, you could easily dedicate this to one side of the property. Now, as I put the drone up, you'll see where we are located. One of the nicest locations. We've got the basilica just behind us and the castle, and so one of the most central points of Oria. This is a beautiful position because we're kind of on the front of where the properties start to go down. Therefore, it gives us tons of actual views of the surrounding countryside. As I said, it's a medieval town located on a hillside, Oria, and you can see just the kind of beautiful views that we have all around the property. So I think that's pretty much all I need to say on this property. It's probably one of the nicest properties we've taken on, and I know you guys are always very keen on the town of Oria, so I'm very happy to show this property to you today. But obviously, if you have any questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and thank you very much for watching.